Hi, my name is Dominique Broadway, award-winning financial planner, personal finance expert, and the founder of Finances Demystified. So congratulations, you started a business. Woohoo! But what we don't want you to do is end up making a lot of the same mistakes that we see other entrepreneurs make and ultimately end in their demise. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are keeping track of all of your income and all of your expenses. You have to make sure that you're also setting goals to make sure that you're bringing in the money that needs to be made for your business, but also that your expenses are not completely weighing down your business, essentially turning this into a really expensive hobby, okay? This is where a lot of people go wrong. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you are really aware about what's working and what's not working in your business. We all have certain talents, but all of our talents do not need to be monetized. Take some time and sit down and determine what's selling, what's not selling. If your expenses are too high for one thing, and just be very critical about what is and what is not working within your business. And once you do this, I want you to make sure that you're constantly analyzing your business. You don't just take time to look at your income expenses when you start. You have to make this a habit and something that you're doing on a monthly basis to ensure that you have a profitable, healthy business that can run for years and years to come. So now you have the inside information on the things that you need to look out for so that you are not making the same mistakes as other entrepreneurs.